In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and connect a bank account to QuickBooks Online in just 5 minutes. It's a straightforward process, but it's essential to keep everything clear and organized for seamless financial management. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to sign in to your QuickBooks account. Head over to the home page and click on the Sign In button. If you have multiple QuickBooks products, ensure you select QuickBooks Online to access the relevant section for this task. Once you've done that, type in your login credentials. If you've forgotten them, there's a handy Forgot Password option to help you recover your access. Simply enter your credentials and click Continue to gain access to your QuickBooks dashboard. Once logged in, direct your attention to the Bank Transactions tab. This is essentially the hub for all bank-related activity within QuickBooks. You can find this tab on the left-hand side of your screen, clearly marked to avoid any confusion. Click on it and it will take you to a new page dedicated to banking activities. Now, in the top right corner of this page, you'll see an option that says Link Account. Click on this button to start connecting your chosen bank account or credit card to QuickBooks. Doing this will enable you to automate the import of transactions, which is a massive time saver for busy professionals managing finances. After you've clicked Link Account, you will be prompted to select your bank or credit card provider from a list. The interface will guide you to either search for your bank or choose from a list of popular banks. Once you've found your bank, click on it to proceed. The next step will involve you entering your bank account or credit card details. This might seem daunting, but QuickBooks uses industry standard practices to ensure your information remains secure. Take care to input the correct details. Mistakes here could delay the process. With your details entered, the final step is logging into your bank through the QuickBooks interface to authorize the connection. QuickBooks will seamlessly guide you through the login process, ensuring you're securely linked to your bank account or credit card provider. This secure connection lets QuickBooks fetch transaction data directly from your bank. And there you have it. Your bank account is now connected to QuickBooks Online. This connection will help you keep track of transactions, simplify financial tracking, and improve overall financial accuracy. Thanks for joining me today and happy bookkeeping. If you have any questions or encounter any issues, feel free to check QuickBooks' comprehensive support resources or reach out for help.